could it be?
Cotton wool?
Ooh, that has given me a mega monster idea! Cotton wool is woolly great! You can use it to make a beard, or it can be a sheep. Brilliant! Or it can be a fluffy cloud. But this cotton wool is going to help us make a rocket.
So, as well as this cotton wool, we'll need a long cardboard tube, 3 smaller tubes, coloured paper and paper strips, stickers and paint.
I love, love, love rockets! They're monster-tastic!
Let's get our rocket set for takeoff. Let's paint the long tube a purple colour. Or you could paint it any colour you want.
I love, love, love painting!
Paint the 3 smaller tubes too.
We're painting ours blue. Painty, painty, monster painty! Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum, ba-dum, bum, bum.
Leave them to dry, and while we wait, we can start drawing. Draw a circle on some yellow, green and blue paper, using a glue stick or something else that's round. And now let's draw some stars on yellow paper too.
Super sparkly, starry, starry!
Then draw half a circle using a plate like this. Murphy, we need to do some monster magic to cut these out, please.
Of course!
Remember to ask a grown-up for help when using scissors.
What's next?
It's time to make a cone.
I love, love, love cones!
First, add plenty of glue to the half circle, then twist and stick it into a cone shape.
Twisty, twisty, monster twisty! Bum, ba-dum, bum, bum.
Then take some long, colourful paper strips and glue and wrap them around the long tube.
Hey, 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 hey!
Now stick the circles and stars on.
Ooh, I think we need a little help. Ooh, ooh.
It's the tiny helpers.
Ooh.
They've added our circles for windows and the stars for decoration. Thanks, tiny helpers.
Bye-bye.
Now let's stick all the tubes together.
Hey, 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 it's sticky, sticky glue time.
Stick the 3 short tubes around the long tube and stick the cone on top. Let's pop some stickers on the windows.
Pop, pop, pop.
And if you don't have stickers, you can draw details instead. And finally, tuck the cotton wool into the tubes around the base. One rocket ready to blast off into space. And you can make one too.
3, 2, 1. We have liftoff!
Woohoo! I've really enjoyed our spacey adventure, Murphy.
Wait, look over there. Bye.
What did they say?
They said they saw our rocket and they came down to say hi, I think.